Today's video is all about opportunities. A lot of times I think artists can get confused by being given an opportunity versus creating their own opportunity. The music industry is filled with opportunities if you know how to bring them to you and create the best version of whatever opportunity is brought into your hands. There are so many things that you can gain as an artist if you know how to bring them towards yourself. Now, of course, there are things like being positive and being a good person and all that kind of stuff, but there's also being really smart and educated in the music business. People, I think, get confused by an artist looking like they have been given an amazing opportunity. And I say given like that because 9 times out of 10, you are not given an opportunity. You have probably worked really hard to create that opportunity to come to you. So I think that there's a lot of confusion where people look at other artists and they get jealous thinking, wow, they get everything that they want. They're so lucky. If I could be that lucky to get that kind of opportunity, I could do this, this, or this, you know? But the reality is that artist was probably working really, really hard to create that opportunity into existence. And if they weren't and they were given something, it's their job then to take that thing they were given and then create the best possible version of that. So no matter which way you look at it, if you don't have the ability to create good things to come to you, to plan for those things to come to you, and to really manifest those things into reality, it doesn't matter what you're given because you are going to be responsible for creating the best version of whatever falls into your hands. Let's say you're given the opportunity to open for an amazing artist. Well, that's a great opportunity that you probably have created without even knowing it. How did you get the opportunity to open for them? You probably had a relationship with somebody that you have built through networking over the past couple years, maybe over the past couple months, however long it took you to actually be able to reach out to that person and say, hey, I'd like this opportunity to perform here. They then reached back out to you and said, here's your opportunity to do that. Either that, or they reached out to you because they saw you doing really cool things in your career, which you have created for yourself. And the reason I talk about this is because it discounts the illusion that people are just given things. That does not happen in the music business. Everything you see happening on a day-to-day basis is from a team of people working around an artist or an artist working incredibly hard to bring these things to them. If they're given the opportunity to perform for someone that can alter the course of their career, it's probably because there is a team of people behind them that have been nurturing those relationships for a while, and the artist has met them halfway by doing all the things they need to do leading up to that moment. One of the videos I created recently is about productivity and some little things you can do just from the comfort of your couch. I don't care if it's one little thing every single day that you do to push yourself forward. If you do one little trick a day, whether it's, connect with some fans on social media, whether it is, editing your bio to the most recent form, whether it's adding a news item to your website or reaching out to somebody in your network to meet them for coffee, whatever it is, every time you take the step to do one of those things, you are creating opportunity to come to you. Like I said, nothing is going to be given to you unless you meet everybody else in your network, everybody else in the industry at least halfway, if not more. So keep this in mind, keep yourself motivated knowing that every opportunity can and will come to you if you create the life that you want by laying the groundwork, laying the foundation, and laying the opportunity for things to be given to you. Nothing can be given to us unless we are open, willing, and ready to accept them. So I wanted to just do this quick, short video for you today, and I really hope it helped you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. A lot of times I think artists can get confused by a lot of times I think artists can get